out of touch with reality and stay in the dream world. But just know some of these dreams were sold to us. I'm too cheap to buy them. So I'm going to create my own dream. You get my drift? I mean, it could come from an authority complex. I really hate to rebel against the norm, but it comes natural when you're an anti-hero from the get-go. Don't try to ruffle up feathers. I mean, shit. I'm just trying to be me. My bad if I ruffle your feathers. You gotta be you. And it comes down to holding your ground. With these negative Nancy ass ninjas. Obie Da Shinobi has been working on his patience. Believe me. But it gets easier when you keep yourself grounded and you find out what you're made of. I've said that countless times. I know y'all don't listen. Y'all don't pay attention unless it's some easy gratification type of attention. But when it comes down to the type of shit you need to know, you really don't put your 2 cents in. But yo, who am I to judge? Because I'm just as bad. But Obie Da Shinobi has no fear when it comes to conquering these adversities. You feel me? I will never rest until I'm the best. Yes, I stay blessed. Beating on my chest. Obie Da Shinobi is the best. So keep your mind on your grind and stay in line, my ninjas. Obie Bomb. Ninja. Squaw. Ready or not, here we come.